Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit checks in Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap on the Banking tab or your cash balance at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down until you find the Checks option and tap on it. If this is your first time using mobile check deposit, Cash App may show you some information about the feature and your deposit limits. Review the information and tap Continue. After that, enter the exact amount written on your check and tap Confirm Amount. Now, make sure the check is payable to your legal name and that the amount on the check matches the amount you entered. Once you've verified the information, tap Confirm Front of Check. Next, flip the check over and sign the back. If prompted, write for Cash App Mobile Deposit or any endorsement required by Cash App below your signature. Then tap Confirm Back of Check. After that, place the check on a flat, dark surface and take a clear photo of the front of the check. Then take a clear photo of the back of the check. Once both images have been uploaded successfully, tap the Submit Check button. Cash App will review your deposit, and if everything is approved, the funds are typically available within 1 to 3 business days, although processing times may vary. If you don't see the checks option in your Cash App, don't worry, mobile check deposit is not available to every account. Make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App, and if the feature is still missing, contact Cash App support to check whether your account is eligible. And that's it! So that's basically how you can deposit checks in Cash App. So that's all for this video, see you in the next one. Thanks!